Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Learn Planet. Today we are going to see how to group or ungroup data as per our required need. So in this given table, if in case if I want to choose just first 5 persons, for that I have to group that in a same group. I'll go in the data and from the top I will choose group and rows. Now as per the rows, these have been put into the group. Now if I want to hide it as they are in the same group, I just press this minus sign, and to get them back I will just press this plus sign. For example, if I want to create another group containing the name of first group was still Neelam Bashir, and I choose it as another group. Now after choosing the persons, I just press group and rows and OK. Now you can see there are two groups. First one and the group 2 is to hide it. And to show it again, the group 2 is consist of the name from here to here, whereas the group 1 has consist the name from here to here. You could have seen that. Now if I want to add another group that consists of the whole of the names, I just select them and just go into the data and select group and select OK into the rows. Now I have another group which consists of all of the names. Now to hide that, in the left toolbar I have to just choose minus, as I have selected the name till this value, till Jahaseb Akbar. Now if in case I want to group the names tables instead of the rows in columns, so first go and ungroup the previously selected things. Clear outline you have to select from ungroup to clear all the group data. Now you can see that all the group data has been removed. Now if in case I want to group the data as per the number of columns, for example there is a first name, last name, name, Lahore, city and sales. For that, if I want to hide first name and last name as complete name is showing in this table, I just choose first and second column from any of the name, as I'm going to group the column, so it's going to hide it. Column, select column from here and OK. Now you can simply hide it from here. First name has, last name has been gone. Now to get them back, simple, press the plus sign. For example, if I want to see this first name, complete name, city, zone and sales, I have just made a group for first name and last name. I could have made the another group for this particular column. So group, column, OK. Minus and minus. Now for doing this, you could have make the presentation better while presenting in front of any of your required group. So now to get the values back, just simply press the plus sign, and same goes with here. If I want to ungroup the selected groups, I will go ungroup, clear outline, and you can see that all the group has been get cleared. So this was all for today. Thank you much for your time.